Mango chutney is a condiment that is made with ripe mangoes and a few spices. It's very versatile because you can spread on sandwiches, serve as a dip for your appetizers, and if you're grilling, you can serve with your beef, mutton, or even chicken. So this is a must-try recipe. I'm going to be using a couple of ingredients which are going to make the chutney so good and delicious. I have a few spices, sugar, vinegar, salt, my mangoes, cooking oil, 1 clove of garlic, and water. You're going to pick your mango and slice the size of the mango just like this. And using a knife, I'm going to make cuts into my mango, which is going to make it very easy for me to scoop out the pulp and place into a bowl. Repeat by making crisscross cuts on your mango, and be very careful because the end of the knife is very sharp. And the mangoes are smelling so good. I love using apple mango because it has a very sweet smell and it's always delicious. So once you're done, this is how your mango is going to be looking like, and it's well chopped up. So the next step is going to be cooking our chutney. So you're going to place a pot over medium flame and grate in 1 clove of garlic, add in a teaspoon of cooking oil, add in your mangoes, sugar, a third cup of white vinegar, salt, half a cup of water, add in turmeric, cinnamon powder, ground ginger, and nutmeg. I'm going to be adding in 1 Scotch bonnet, which you can substitute with African bird's eye chili. Remove the seeds if you don't like your chutney too hot. Then you're going to slice and dice your pepper. You can also use some red capsicum, but because I'm used to spicy food, I'm using some Scotch bonnet which I had in my fridge. So I'm going to transfer the Scotch bonnet into my pot and stir in everything until fully combined. You're going to wait for around a minute until the pot comes to a boil. Reduce the flames to medium-low and slowly simmer your chutney for around 20 to 25 minutes. I've added in half a cup of water just in case the mangoes reduce and start to burn. So slowly simmer and everything is going to turn out very delicious. In between, while the chutney is cooking, you're going to stir because you want to make sure that it's not burning. When your chutney is ready, that is after around 20 minutes, the mangoes will have softened up and the sauce will have reduced. Just check how awesome the mangoes are looking. So using a potato masher, I'm going to mash to my desired consistency. If you like some chunks of mangoes in your chutney, you can leave out some. And if you want your chutney to be very smooth, just make sure to use a hand blender or even mash with your potato masher until smooth. If you're using a non-stick pot, make sure to use a silicone potato masher because you don't want to destroy your non-stick pot. When it's ready, you're going to put out the flames and let this cool for around 5 minutes before serving. I've left a little bit of texture in my chutney because we need some smooth and a little bit chunks of mango when enjoying the chutney. I'm super excited because my mango chutney is ready and it's looking so gorgeous. I absolutely love the orange color that my chutney has because we added in a little bit of turmeric, and of course the mangoes are orange. Yeah, it's spicy just the way I love, but the chili is quite optional if you're not a fan of spicy food. So I'm ready to enjoy my chutney, and the best part about the recipe is that you can chutney is that you can store it in your fridge up to 3 weeks. Yes, just make sure to place in an airtight container, just like this, and the chutney will be good for 3 weeks.